Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another Valentine's cake. This is more of a vintage theme that I am doing today. I'm starting off with some 6-inch vanilla rounds with my buttercream frosting. Now that I have my cakes all filled, I'm making sure my cake is nice and even, and then I can start on my crumb coat. And I'm just starting from the top and just working my way down, making sure I fill in any gaps. And I'm just finishing off my crumb coat and placing this into the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can start frosting the cake. Okay, and on to frosting my cake. I tinted my buttercream with just a little bit of red, just to give it a nice bright pink color. And again, I'm starting from the top and just working my way down and then scraping off any excess buttercream. Using my cake scraper, and this helps even out the sides of my cake. I'm going back in and filling in any spaces in between, just to give it a nice smooth consistency into my cake. And then I can smooth off the top of my cake. And we can start working on piping. I'm starting off with a 104 tip, just doing a slight ruffle. And I went back in and did a second layer of my ribbon here with the same 104 tip. And here I used a number 18 tip to start off the border of my cake. With the darker color of my buttercream, I used a number 32 tip just to go on top of the bottom. And then I did another repeat of my white buttercream with the number 18 tip. And I'm starting off with the top. This is the number 32 tip that I am doing. I decided to put some rosettes on my cake as well also, because this is a Valentine theme, and this is just a closed star tip that I am doing. And I repeated the process right underneath it as well. And I decided to do a little bit of a design underneath my rosettes, and this is a number 3 tip that I am using. I also decided to pipe a border around my ribbon. This is a number 18 tip that I had used. And then I went back in piping on some little hearts using the same number 3 tip. And this is what my cake looks like, you guys. This is my Valentine vintage theme cake. Hopefully you guys liked my video on how I did this tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.